Today we are starting the chapter rotational motion. Rotational motion. Rotational motion is very close to circular motion. Rotational motion takes place about an axis. There will be axis of rotation. The body as a whole will move about that axis. So, for rotational motion, we have equation of equations. This one is very similar to the equation of kinematical motion in one dimension. Very similar to that. Means I'm talking about the formula V is equal to U plus AT. V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. S is equal to UT plus half UT square. Those formula is applicable here also. But the symbol will change. In linear motion, rotational motion, linear motion, rotational motion. Here we say speed of velocity. Speed of velocity, there are two velocity u and v, no? U and v, they are initial velocity. Here the same thing we write naught and omega. Acceleration. Here the A will become alpha. This is called angular acceleration. Angular acceleration. Here which is radian. Radian per second. Alpha is equal to change in angular velocity upon the time. So we have like this, three comparisons are there of more equation. Here we have motion AT u plus having this is equal, omega equal to omega t. T is same as omega, V is same omega naught, T is same as omega. Fifth one formula this S. How can you read it now? How will be written now in this format? Right? Tell me. You can tell me same formula when the rotation is taking place. How should I write? One of you please tell me. How should I be writing this formula? Rotation motion. Say fast, one of you.
Theta equals to.
You write theta is equal to say
Omega naught t.
Say omega naught t, very good. Plus
half alpha t square.
Very good, very good. You understood it. If you know this, you will automatically only you have to know the replacement. Only you have to know the replacement and the formula. Then it becomes a formula here. Six formula, you know, v square is equal to u square plus v square is equal to u formula in rotational motion, rotational direction, how would you write? How would you write this in the rotational motion? Tell me. How would you write?
Omega square equals to
Say, carry on, carry on.
omega square equals to omega naught square plus 2 alpha theta.
There is disturbance, no fluctuation there in the connectivity, network problem. Anyway, please share. Tell me, what should I write? Omega naught square plus
2 alpha theta.
You understood? So once you know it, the formula becomes very easy, and in rotation formula becomes easy. Once you know this formula, linear motion formula, and we are comparing with the rotational motion formula. Comparison is easy, and the formula making is also easy. And our method of doing the problem is the same. What I mean to say, suppose anything starts from rest, u is 0, but here omega naught will be 0. Anything coming to rest will have V0, here omega will be 0. Same logic. Here also there will be retardation. There will be angular retardation also. That alpha value will come negative. There will be retardation. When the body is stopping to rotate, when the body brake is applied and the rotation stops, so alpha will be negative. The same logic. And here one extra thing, just write down here, number of revolution formula, write down here number of revolutions or number of rotations. Number of rotations, how to find number of rotations? To find number of rotations, because there is rotation taking place, so the number of rotations to find, we have the method, we write theta by 2 pi. This is the formula, to find the number of rotations. One extra formula here. And what is the logic behind number of rotations? Suppose the total angle is 360 degrees. That is 2 pi radian. How many rotations is there? 1. That means theta value is 2 pi. 1 round. That means total angle is degree wise 360 degree and radian wise 2 pi. The 2 pi cancel, you get the number of rotations. If theta pi rotation takes place, 100 pi divide and so there is one extra formula. Yes. Have you understood this formula?
Yes, sir.
In this chapter, no, first I will be using this formula. Okay, the rotational dynamics formula or rotational motions equations formula. Based on that, we'll be doing some numericals, and then I'll start talking about quantities. Okay, there will be a quantity coming, moment of inertia. Then I'll be talking about rotational kinetic energy. Then I'll talk about angular momentum. And then I'll talk about the torque also later on. Okay, torque on a rotational body. Okay, so I'll talk about all these things. First, we'll do some numerical problems using this formula which I gave here. And doing the problem is same as the problem of linear motion, linear kinematics. Okay, now from your book, we are doing some problems first, and then we'll carry other questions. Start with the questions. It is given on page number 3. Page number 300. Example 18 dash, example 18.1. Okay. I read the question and then we'll do it. Question says a stone. You know granite stone? Granite stone is called chakki. See the round one. This is starts from rest. Starting from rest, that is initial velocity will be 0. No, initial velocity is omega 0. Has a constant angular acceleration of 3 radians per second. Alpha will be rad per second square. Alpha. First part. Find the angular displacement and the angular speed after 2 seconds. The timing is given. T is given 2 seconds. 2 seconds. You have to find the value of first part angular displacement. That is theta value you have to find. Theta is question mark. Displacement is theta is question mark for the first part. Which formula you will to find the value of theta?
Sir, omega is equal to omega naught plus alpha c.
Theta doesn't come. Just choose current formula and find the answer. No? Tell me which formula.
So W omega square is equals to omega
That formula
square.
will not find theta. Theta formula also.
Omega square.
Use that formula where you get a direct answer. So theta is equal to omega naught t plus half and so you can find no theta value. Omega naught is 0, this thing is becoming 0. Half alpha value is 3 and this is 2 squared, that is 2 into 2. Theta value is coming 6 radian. Unit of theta is radian. Finished. You got the answer. Choose an appropriate formula and better choose the formula so that using that formula only you get the answer. The time will be saved. And the angular speed, you have to find angular speed. That is final velocity you have to find out, final speed you have to find. That is omega. Now, which formula should I use now? Tell me. Which formula should I use to find omega? I mean angular speed after 2 seconds. Initial speed is 0, but how to find the final speed? Which formula should I choose?
Alpha into t.
Not only that, actually I am choosing the formula omega is equal to omega naught plus alpha t. This formula, first formula. V is equal to u plus at that formula I am choosing. Omega we have to find, omega naught is 0, alpha is 3 and this is 2. Omega value is also coming 6, but the unit of omega will be radians per second. Radians per second. The answer. Radian per second. Like meter per second, here we are at radian. Theta is measured in terms of radians. Radian per second. Finished. Now we are doing example 18-2. Example 18-2 now. Problems are quite easy here. (18-2). I read the question. B increases from 1200 to revolutions per minute in 10 seconds. This is angular acceleration, and B the number of revolutions made during this time. Initial velocity is given omega 1200 pm. RPM full form is revolution or rotations per minute. Yes, revolutions per second. It will not be radian. It cannot be taken as Okay, omega naught is this. Omega is given 45 altogether at 4500 pm. Timing is given here 10 seconds. That's t value. T is given 10 seconds. Rotations, revolution. Two without this. One revolution. The radian will be 2 pi. That's why 2 pi. This should become radian per second.
So why we are changing that omega, so?
40 pi. You can write the answer as 40 pi. Yes. Tell me.
Why we are changing that omega?
Why I am taking what?
So why we are changing that omega, so the first part. So that I cannot understand. Yes, sir.
Tell me. You understood?
So your voice,
Angular
sir, voice is cracking so much.
velocity. Everyone can hear it properly. It is the yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Boys, can you hear me? Whether you understood or not, or I'll explain. Huh?
So it's
Say.
still your voice is cracking.
Ankit, can you hear me clearly? Is a network problem from my your side? Tell me about that. If it is happening with everyone, so it is the problem from. Huh?
From your side.
No.
Okay. Then what can be done then? Network is fluctuating here in the school.
So just
Anyway, yes. Can you manage? So angular velocity, no, velocity, angular velocity means omega. Initial given and final 500. But they are given not in form of radian per second, revolutions per minute. I'm getting RPM for it. 1200 RPM, 4500 RPM into 2 pi radian. One revolution is 2 pi radian. So into 2. And minute I will change into seconds. Minute is 60 seconds. After cancellation, the answer is coming 40 pi. If you want, you can put the value of pi. I'll just leave it like that. 40 pi. Today I'll change this also. Right? 45 into 2 pi by 60. Here also I will change. 0 and 0 will go to 150 pi here. 150 radian per second. Radian per second. Now, part 1, part A is we find the angular acceleration, find the value of say tan is given, omega tan is in other u, v and t is given. You have to find A. How can you find A?
V minus U by T.
Say formula you take. Yeah, that formula alpha is equal to omega minus omega naught by c, or this formula is same as omega equal to omega naught plus alpha t. Is the same thing. You are seeing the solution from the book and telling me. Omega value we have 155. This is 45. Timing is given 10. Now you can find that the 150 minus 40 will become by 10. So the answer is 10, 11. Unity. Now, we have to find the simulations made during this time. This will take place over a period of 10 seconds at this speed and all. Okay. How to find that? How to find the number of revolutions? To find the number of revolutions, we must find the value of theta, angular displacement, and then number of revolutions formula will be theta divided by 2 pi. Then we get answer. Which formula should I use? I use the formula theta is equal to omega naught plus half alpha t square. That is theta is S is equal to ut plus half a t square formula I am using. Omega naught value we have 45, right? 45 here plus half. A value is 11 pi. Timing is 10. So 10 into 10 I do. This is coming 45 plus half into half, and this is cancelled. Omega naught t, no? T I forgot. Yeah, you're right. Into 10. Omega naught t plus half alpha t square. This is coming 400 pi. 550 pi is coming here. Total of these two is coming 950 pi. 950 pi radian. 950 pi radian. Therefore, number of revolutions is equal to theta by 2 pi. That means 950 pi divided by 2 pi. Cancel it. Your answer is 475. 475. So that is the answer. That many revolutions will take place. Yes.
Sir, can you repeat how you got that pi radians? Sorry, in the first line.
First line.
How you converted RPM?
Okay. Good question. So please do not hesitate in asking question. Revolution is given. Revolutions per minute. One revolution, how many radian will be there? Tell me. In one revolution, how many radian? What is the angle?
360.
Degree by 360 degree. Degree, the answer is 360 degree. And 360 degrees, how many radian? 2 pi radian, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That's why
Yes,
I multiplied by 2. One revolution, that means 12. That many radian will be. Understood? Minute I am changing in. I'll divide by 50, changing in seconds. SI unit. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good to ask question. Okay? Keep dots with you.
Sir, I've got one question. So how do you get that alpha part, sir? So can you please explain that alpha formula, sir? Yes, sir.
Do you know this formula? Omega equal to omega naught plus alpha t. Do you know this formula?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This formula is same.
Yes, sir.
Same. Sure, same only. Omega minus omega naught by t is alpha. Same formula, no?
Yes, sir.
Class also used to do like this, A equal to change in velocity, v minus v by t, velocity upon the time is called
yes, sir.
acceleration.
Yes, sir.
So change is called polar acceleration. On that basis, this
Yes, sir.
formula
Yes,
is the
sir.
same. V equal to u
Yes,
plus
sir.
a, and A to v by t is plus. Yes, you can use this one.
Yes, sir.
These two are same formula.
Yes, sir. Party.
Let us do this. Example 18-3 now. Example 18-3. Example 18 take it out. Example 18-3. Says turns a wheel through an angle of seconds. 40 radians in 2 seconds starting from rest. Omega 0. Radian is and timing is given to continues. What will be the angular velocity after 10 seconds from start? Let us find the value of alpha first. Part alpha. Find the value of alpha from this information. How can you get the value of alpha coming? Which formula you'll pick? Don't see the book and try to pick the formula yourself. Which formula you will pick?
So theta is equals to
Yeah.
omega
Tell me.
naught
Theta is equal
t
to
plus
T half alpha T
alpha
square.
t squared.
Very good, very good. Theta is 40, right? 40. This is 0. Omega naught is 0. The entire thing becomes 0. Plus half alpha time is 2. So 2 into 2, 2 and 2 will go. You get 40 is equal to 2 alpha. Therefore, alpha value is coming 20. 20 radians per second. First part. We got the value of alpha coming. 20 radians per second square. Done.
So we can use that acceleration formula also, sir.
You can.
So can we use the acceleration formula?
Of acceleration, tell me.
Sir, 40 minus 0 is equal upon 2.
40 minus, which formula is this? I never knew.
Sir, acceleration
Which formula
formula.
is this?
Sir,
What is
acceleration
the formula?
formula.
What is the formula?
Sir, alpha
Formula acceleration.
upon t.
Alpha equal to,
Alpha
say,
minus
alpha equal to,
alpha is
minus,
omega
alpha equal
minus
to,
omega
where is
minus
omega? Where is omega? Omega. Omega. Where is omega? Omega is not given to the operator. Is omega given?
sir.
Hello, you got my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So understood.
We are not given omega this formula only. Omega naught and omega and time given, then we could have used that formula which I used before in the previous question. Now the second part, how will you do now? Now you have to find the angular velocity after 10 seconds from start. Start means omega naught is 0. Start velocity is 0. Now I'll use the formula now, omega equal to omega naught plus alpha t. That means v is equal to u plus at formula. And now you. Omega naught is 0. 20. I take the time 2 seconds only, and I find the answer 40 unit. Okay. Any queries you have? Because next class I'm talking about the moment of inertia and all that. Okay. That's the next. is lesson this much only. Clear idea of rotational motion and about the symbols and some numerical problems we did. Class we will be doing and all that. Okay. Rotational energy will be that. Okay. Then this is what we do today. Thank you. All right.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You got anything to say?
Time is 10 seconds, no?